Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is April the 24th, 2018, and I have some of my eggplant seedlings here. I wanted to give you an update on them. And, hold on a minute here, let me spin this one here. You can see how big this one's getting. It is actually getting ready to bloom. I'm going to take that bloom off of there because when your plants start blooming and they're this small or they're in containers that they need to be transplanted again, you don't want them to be blooming because then they're going to stop producing the roots and they're going to focus on producing the fruit. And we definitely don't want that. We want them producing roots. So I'm going to be taking this off. And here's another one over here. And I have some more. And here's another one here. This one here is shooting stars. And you can see how big the leaves are. They're just massive on these. Now, I want to actually show you something. This one here is getting ready to bloom too. So I'm going to be taking that one off as well. These are not what I would classify as a kid-friendly plant or a pet-friendly plant. They do have thorns on the leaves, and they have them on some of the stem. And these things will stick you. So they also get them like on the caps of the fruit, that where it holds the green part that holds the fruit onto the plant. They'll have stickers on them as well, like thorns, and they definitely will stick you. So I don't classify this as like a kid-friendly or a pet-friendly plant. And you know, you want to be careful when you harvest the fruit from them. They're definitely worth growing, in my opinion. That's just something that you have to watch out for, because I've had them stick me already and it hurts. So I'll show you some of my other ones here. There's some more down here. There's another one. Let me see if I can get it back here. Yeah, there's another one back there. And any of them that are going to be blooming, like this one here is diamond. Right here. This is diamond. You can see the leaves are a little bit smaller than some of the other varieties. Now, I don't know how big they're going to get as they continue to grow. I'm not sure on that. So we'll have to see. And this one's getting ready to bloom too, so I'm going to be taking the blooms off of it. And you can see here, I want to show you this. This is a root. These are roots. Those white things are roots coming out of this. So this is establishing a really nice, healthy root system for us. It should really take off when I plant them in my containers outside. I don't think I'm going to try any in the ground this year. I have issues growing my eggplants in the ground. I've seen people do them already in raised beds, but most of the time your eggplants are grown in containers from what I've seen. I do know someone though who they do grow their eggplants in the ground. So I'm not 100% sure how he does it, but somehow he does. So here's two more plants here, and again this one here has massive leaves. I've been having to pull the light up further, and I'm just moving this one back because the leaf is touching the light. There's nothing wrong with this plant, it just got burnt from the light itself. So I am going to have to be moving this light up again, and you can see here. And I did something a little different. I ran out of my Jiffy pots, sorry about that. And I took some newspaper and made some really big newspaper pots. So I put some of my eggplants in because they needed to be transplanted, and at the time I didn't have what I needed to do them. I didn't have the Jiffy pots, the biodegradable ones. So I thought, you know, it works for other plants, making the newspaper pots, so I'm going to try it with these. And it seems to be working pretty good. So here's another one over here. This one's smaller. This is a ping tongue one here. And let me see here. This one here is a ping tongue as well. The shorter one here. This one over here, the one in the newspaper pot, I'm not sure which one that one is. We had a little mix-up issue, and I'm just not 100% sure what it is. So, show you some more. So here's some smaller ones, and I have a smaller one up top here. And this eggplant down here, this is a Black Beauty one. You can see it's growing under here. It's kind of crowded. You can see the lovage growing up in through it. And I'll take this flower petal off here from another flower, because keeping your plants in your growing area clean is important. So just wanted to show you this one here. There's another one over here. Now these are still being fed. Some of the bigger ones I've been feeding them kind of like every other week with the plant food, because I've been busy, so I haven't quite gotten to feed the bigger ones as much as what I had liked to. But being that the plant food, or being that the soil has plant food mixed in with it, a slow release, they're still getting food. So that's, and you can see they're still establishing the good root systems on them over there with the bigger ones, and they're not, you know, pale green. There's nothing going wrong with them, so it's not hurting them, not feeding them every week. Now the little seedlings, I am still feeding those once a week, because I want to get that root system established. So if you like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye.